Alrighty, let's try that again. We're gonna see what happens here now. Let the chat just quickly jump back on to see if these guys are fast they are. How much of them are gonna pick up that we are still here. We did not die. Bossway Chad, yo, sorry, Bossway, we are just waiting for the other guys. Don't know what happened there. Literally, it's almost like our internet kicked off for a second. Yeah, guys, I'll just wait for a few more of you guys to come back in before I just explain. I'm going to be repeating myself otherwise. But yeah, like it's almost like Jave was actually mentioning that did our Wi-Fi freeze or something, but yeah, it looks like the Wi-Fi just turned off for a second, and obviously that second was long enough to just lose complete connection, so it killed the stream. But we are still here. There's no load shedding today, guys, so that was just a hiccup with the Wi-Fi. We've actually never had that issue before, so that was weird. Yeah, never really had an issue with the Wi-Fi. But yeah, we are still here, guys. You got our analysis and stuff, so there's nothing you missed. In a risk-free trade on gold, hopefully it can hold till news. Are you in bars, Boss Bobby, or what are you in? But yeah, guys, so don't worry, we are still here. We're not going anywhere. That was just a little bit of a freaky one right now. We're just waiting for a bit more of the analytics to start running through here. I don't know why, but it's not showing me. I'm sure, there we go. I'm sure there's some cyber jealousy. Yeah, bro, I promise you at this rate, I wouldn't be surprised if someone's like out to get us. It's not even funny. We were talking about this yesterday, guys. We keep telling you guys how we are grinding, like we are gonna work this year. We're gonna take things to another level and set the standard for everyone. And literally, for example, like with project 5130, the 2 hours, and there were guys that were copying us, putting those stats out, putting videos out like that. We started doing the type of content now in South Africa, and literally it was about 2 weeks after that other guys started doing it. So it's fine, they can do it. End of the day, we know they are watching us to see what our next step is, so that is fine with us. But we are here, guys, so don't stress. We are not going to leave you guys out there in the dark, blind.
Especially not like that, yo.
Yeah, to fend for yourself. If we don't come back within like 5 minutes, then okay, it probably was load shedding.
But also, I will always post something on my story, so if there's anything that happens, just always check my story. I'll always update you guys.
Yeah, like our socials, if like that happens, or like when the substation was having problems, we'll put it out there for you guys. But with something like that, where like that just needs to be fixed quickly, then we are fine. Buy some 2031. Yeah, I would just go break even, bro. For now, personally, I just go break even. You got 7 minutes. Market is looking bearish still, but then you're gonna have market open and then that news to follow it. So we'll just see. Otherwise, I just think it still runs, so I just go break even. So if it turns around, it runs. If it comes back, you're not losing anything. You can always get the re-entry when we enter. So let's just see what happens here, Chad. But we are gonna milk it today, guys, don't you worry. Got a few cards up our sleeves here. And that's always going to be the difference, guys. The fakes can always try and copy us as much as they want.
It's like they say, you can copy, but the paste won't be the same.
The imitation will never be as good as the real thing. Because a copy is a copy. The real thing can always develop. That's the difference, guys. News come out already. No, it didn't, guys. News is only at 4:45. No news yet. Markets aren't even open yet.
Is that for CAD?
No, they're all 4:45. All of
them. Oh, okay.
out. They're all 445. We are just waiting here, guys. Don't worry. What is that sitting at now? But yo, guys, I hope you have all entered though for the 5130 project. Also, guys, I mean this in the nicest ways. If you message me for signals, I'm not gonna answer you. And when I say that is, don't message me for a signal or asking me an opinion on a trade or
recovery signal.
I'm not gonna give it to you, because the thing is, for me, like what you are asking me, I have covered. It's in our bias for the day. But if you can't even take 2 minutes of your day to come and watch the stream or do something to get my bias, you're too late, you just want a straight answer, don't waste my time. My Instagram is very, very busy, so if I look at you and you ask me a stupid question, as my coach always said to me, if you ask me a stupid question, I'm either going to give you a stupid answer or I'm not going to answer. And it's as simple as that. If you want to be a trader, you at least have to have 2 brain cells. What do the peaches mean? It's just a thing for the guys, the OGs, the peaches, the Chad.
I still can't remember even how that became a thing.
Keys, you know anything about some of the prop firms not being able to use MT5 at this stage? I actually do. It was just a problem they were having with the, I wouldn't say regulation, but just terms and conditions and the contracts and stuff. So it's just, again, your American side of things. So that's why we aren't affected by it. But it's just a temporary thing. If I remember correctly, it came down to like a server change, and the companies that use them, especially in America, there was something that wasn't adding up, and that's why they just couldn't use it for now. Lol, that is called psychology. Kigadonia, like Chatadonia World. Jevadonia also said, please get straight to the point. Bro,
yeah,
I laughed when I saw that.
Nah, like, look, guys, there's a lot of guys who message me. Imagine, okay, I'm average about 20 people a day. Imagine 20 people message me, hi, how you doing? What you up to? Are you busy? Just say, hey Jeff, how's things going? I have a question. Drop your question, you know? Let's save some time, you know? Time is of the essence.
Right. But that's what I said, like, I'm sorry, like, I'm someone, that's why I wouldn't say I keep my privacy, but if you got my number, then there's like a thing. Like, then you have my number, you need to do it. So
now, do you know what my thing is? Why I'm so on about that? Customer service. Because I'm speaking now in general, personally for myself, brokers, people who scammed me in the past. I feel like that customer service thing, such a big thing, you know, to people, and having that relationship.
No, it is, but my thing's also like, so you look at it from example the complete opposite side of how I look at it. If there's a schedule, hold on, ding ding ding, and markets are open, guys, around 2, fight. But back to the thing, if we were if you look at it somewhere, if you have a problem, for example, at FNB, you don't walk in, throw your toys out of the cot, and the CEO of FNB comes down to help you. There's people that help you, and that man doesn't even know your name, doesn't know your problem, doesn't give a shit.
True.
But now my thing is, you do all this now. Yes, whether the fact that, let's just say there's a small team, the big dog isn't the one that's gonna get up to come lick your ass.
That's very true.
I don't think that's the whole thing with why we always talk about this. There's no paid content. There's no nothing of this. There's no. So I don't have to answer you. I don't have to run after anyone. I don't have to do shit.
Yeah.
If I was doing that, it's a different story. So, again, you do have a group, a community. So, again, I understand. I do understand. It's your name at the end of the line. But, yeah, with myself, that's why. Because the thing is, when you do that with a business, I understand. I always say people, a true business that succeeds, the owner will be there 24/7. He's hands-on. So, then I do agree. But there also has to be that point you step away. But in this type of community, you want to be there. But again, the same thing. If I do that, my phone's going to be going 24/7 because little Tommy wants to trade Asia session at 2 in the morning and I can't sleep. And that's something like, bro, shut the fuck up. Like, leave me alone. So, yeah, there's limits to these things. Can I get a recovery signal? Edgar, bro.
I'm gonna give you Edgar, I'm gonna give you USD Turkish lira.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm using TFF and I'm not being able to trade since Monday. Oh damn. Okay, so in the past, and that must be new, because in the past, the thing is I actually trade with them. I'm checking there if my account can place a trade. I've never had an issue. So when the original issue with the MT5 thing was coming out, the Funder Trader was they were fine. But yeah, the fact yours is, that's a bit weird. But we'll check that out. How your dog? How's your cat? FNBCO is like the market maker. He doesn't care about our $10 liquidity. Yeah, exactly, bro. But also, I can't remember who asked me. I think it was Minty who asked me about the buys on gold. I hope you are break even, bro. As I said, I am expecting that push down, so just watch out for that. Markets looking like they want to come alive now.
I'll be just to let go.
How's it, gents? I had a minor stroke when the stream stopped. Oh my word, right? No, I was really hoping that the guys, and the thing is, the problem, like, I think you guys know we aren't gonna just ditch you. I think we've shown you that now. But like when we had the power station prop, like that's out of our control. We can't do anything about that. So I was just hoping, because it's been so frequent, that guys weren't gonna be like, oh, they probably got load shedding and turned their phones off. And then the thing is, we're back like 5 minutes later. But I'm glad to see majority of you guys. I think we were at 110 or something on the previous. With the concurrent viewers, we're now basically at 90. So yeah, majority of you guys should be back. But don't worry, guys, we are waiting. We're gonna wait for the 15-minute shuffle purely because we are waiting for that news to come out. So once that news is out, we're gonna see how that goes. But we are ready for it, guys. We are ready. Got close that break even. The brew, it's chilled. As I said, I did have the idea it's coming down. So as long as you weren't in it, that's perfect. All right, guys. Naz is going to be at the R2. Let's see if this holds, but I do think R1 is actually more on the cards just because of how extended this is. Well, there we go. R2 going. USD. So again, Naz, I'd like to see the R2 be tested and then from there continue back bullish. DXY. We are under the weekly pivot, so that's perfect now, but we'll see how that goes, guys. But again, I am looking and locked in for gold today. Jeff's a fade is in. Yeah. The man, bro, that fade took him like 4 hours.
Yo, you guys wouldn't believe what happened to me earlier. So we cutting here. So only the right side was cut and load shedding hit. And then I sat there with like, you know, with the quarter cut head. And then luckily we had, you know, another clipper there with some batteries.
Jeff, why do you trade UT, by the way?
I don't. I stumbled upon it today. I checked the price action. I was like, wow, this thing is respecting the demand zone. So I'm bullish until I actually see a reversal.
Right, Jeff. Aye. You can't save them all, guys. You can't save them all. Jeff is that captain that's gonna go down with his ship. Yo, load shedding, my bro. Jevin giving me hints to go for a haircut.
Nah, Jason, you need a haircut, bro.
Or have you seen his hair?
Yo, bro.
Oh, do you know him?
Yes, my cousin.
Oh.
Yo, if he takes off Jason, what do you call that thing you wear? I don't want to call it dookie. It's not a dookie.
Jeff just did you dirty, bro.
Yeah, it's not a dookie, man, but what do you call it? There's another name for
those bandanas, balaclava things. A bonnet.
A bonnet. No, it's not even a do-rag. It's like a silk thingy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm actually going for a haircut tomorrow. Mine's been long overdue. Yeah, it was the bonnet. Damn.
Nah, but I must say, Jason, when that bonnet's off, bro, must say also looks sexy sometimes.
Alright. We got a little bit of hillbilly love going on here. Some cousin on cousin. Here we go, Chad. No, it was the bonnet I knew it too. But yeah, no, I think, yes, I can't even remember where. I think the last time I had my haircut was before I went on holiday.
Yeah.
And I went on holiday, the 15th of December? So I got my haircut probably say like the 10th.
Oh, yes?
Yes, that's been long, bro.
Yeah.
That's like what,
a
month
month
and a half?
No, but I must say, I think I saw you the other day without a cap on. Also need a haircut.
That's what I said. I'm going for the haircut tomorrow. No shit, I need a haircut. What did I go for a haircut for fun? Nah, bro, that's the one thing. I'm not that Instagram influencer where I have like my haircuts pre-booked for every week. Like, I'm the guy. I wake up, I look at them, and go, okay, maybe another week, maybe another 2 weeks. Then
yeah. Until it really gets out of control.
Yeah, then I'm like, okay, book me one now.
When people start saying you need to cut your hair, that's when you have to cut
your
hair.
The worst for me is because actually my guy cut. We actually had quite a cut the last time, so he went actually quite low on the front. So that had to grow back. So I think I was waiting for that to grow back, honestly. And now that that's grown back, I'm like, okay, like we can work with this now. So, alright guys, we got that retest of the EQ and the Asia highs now. So let's see what happens there, if we can hold that. Definitely looking good so far. Just hope not to jump the gun though. Our alert's going off. What is DXY doing? So let's see guys. PMI going to be coming out in a few minutes actually. So let's see. Let's see what it does. Welcome back, gents. Dave moved from talking synthetics to exotics. The stream is by far the most unique. At this rate, February, we are on Nifty, bro. Literally, we were talking about it. I won't see us. I think for fun and jokes, we're going to fund an account one day and we're going to go trade Nifty 50. And you know, I promise you, if we shits and gigs, if we make money that day, we're probably going to end up trading Nifty 50.
No, but I also like, you know, there's a lot of interesting pairs. Like for instance, myself also, when I discovered the synthetics, I was like, what is, you know, V75? What's Crash? Until I started trading, I was like, oh, I love these pairs. Your gold is just taking off.
I warned you guys. But Jay Volmos. Bro, where's the drink? My bro, that man's hairline is pulled so far to the back of his head already. See Discord. Yeah. I got my trade after 2 hours. But let's see, guys. We have got 4 minutes till news comes out. Let's see what happens. Let's see, guys. Again, I am more on the bullish side here, so let's see. If they come out flat, that's the thing, guys. So basically, as we said, we're expecting flat. If it comes out higher, dollar strength. If it comes out flat, dollar strength. This needs to be like a real shock to basically pump it down, in my opinion. But again, we can see it needs to come out lower, like nicely lower, if we're gonna get that. So let's see. We are holding at 200. DXY, and that's the thing. I think something else happened because gold had that waterfall effect, but DXY has done nothing. So something else might have happened. Let's see here quickly. News. We have no headlines. It just came out 29 minutes ago, 4 hours ago, 1 hour ago. Yeah, nothing that really came out on this side of things. So we're just gonna wait for news, guys. See what happens there. Why are we up? Wait, what's going on here? There. Alright, 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. NAS absolutely still going down. We want to see that test at the R1. US 30. Actually also holding off a bit there. Let's see what happens, Chad.
I'm tempted to buy CAD yen, but the fact that news is coming out now, nope. Nope. The entry pattern is there, but no. Rather wait afterwards.
You got this, bro. You got it.
Let's collect some data.
Oh, yeah. Just bagged 90 pips on gold. I am back, baby. There we go. Is King Shaq car culture? Yeah, that's car culture. King Shaq. Okay, 2 minutes till market, till news comes out. 1 minute actually. So let's see, Chad. Let's see. I don't even know. I hope you're doing well, brother. Strong's on the recovery. 30 seconds, guys. Let's see what markets do. Alright. Let's see, Chad. Put your bets in now. Who is your money on?
Oh, look at that Turkish lira. Look at that Turkish lira.
Yeah.
Shut it.
How is that, Chad? One shot. One shot. Thank you for coming.
Should have taken the buys.
So that came out. Let's see. Did it come out flat? Or did it come out higher? Man, reload. Why is this thing taking so long? Okay, yeah, there we go. Jump to the top for PMI. And what was the second? Let's see. Yeah, both massive jumps to the top side, guys. So we said that dollar strength coming in. That's what we were talking about. Now let's just see. Can this hold? Or does that just turn around? Now that's the thing we wanted to see today. NAS actually holding on. US30 took a bit of a shot. DXY, there we go, baby. DXY playing out. So let's just see what happens here now. Does she hold or does she give in? Let's see what happens, Chad. This is why runners are important. That was the price you pay when you start improving your skills. Cheers, bro. I am trading with one eye. Recovery going well so far. I'm really glad to hear that, brother. Have a speedy one. Undergoing rebranding. So let's see, guys. Let's see, can dollar hold this? That was a nice, actually big push for the dollar to the upside. So there we go. I actually just want to go see this just because maybe Chris doesn't feel that bad this morning. Yeah, basically that whole GBP USD trade, absolutely almost retracing, back down to the bottom. What else? Let's just see UJ, nothing crazy. EU, GU, yeah, nothing too crazy. Keegs, what's your ideally want to do, one goal to do right now from this point? I wanted to hold, bro, and I want this to turn around going long. Thing is, that was a nice push. So initially, if it came out flat, which we were talking about, if it even hit like because they were a 47.9, expecting a 47.6, a 51.4, 51.4. So we were actually focusing on the forecast. If they come out anything close, so I mean a 51, if that stayed 51.5, for example, that would have been fine, or even a 0.6. 47, even if that pushed a 48, that's pretty much holding. But to have that jump quite a bit, that almost at a 53, and that at a 50, so that already went up, let's say just shy of 3 points, and that's nearly 2 points, 1 point, sorry. So, well, 1.5 points. So that is quite actually a nice base point hike. So again, dollar could recover, but I think at this point in time, dollar is going bearish. So we'll just see if it holds, guys. That is the biggest thing right now. I just don't trust dollar strength, but we will see. Same thing with sticks for yesterday. If this thing does start melting off and we get to this 4 hour and we break it, 100% I'll take the sells. So if we break the low, I'll take the sell. Until then, I don't trust dollar strength. That's just how it is for me right now. Jev, you not eating anything, eh?
No, not yet. I wanted to take the SCAD yen, but I told you guys now what news, but it tapped perfectly and didn't take it. So once again, data collection.
Data collection. There we go, Chad. There you have it.
Like zero drawdown at all. So fortunately. But GU has 400 change of character at last week's high, so we could potentially see a drop come through there. The only thing I don't trust is the fact that EU has not set up yet or touched the zone as yet, so literally might not take anything today.
Alrighty.
Didn't find what you set out to.
Well, that's actually a very, very nice push for dollar, though. It really is. Considering tomorrow we got GDP coming out, and employment claims, that's actually very, very nice. So tomorrow I think we're actually going to get quite a nice move over there. So yeah. Alright, so it did close back above Asia lows. Not much of a wick to fool. Again, we always teach you guys, if this thing closed up here with this long wick, you could have had the sells quickly in to just go fill the wick. But that hasn't happened yet, guys. So what I'm going to do now personally is, as I said to you guys in the morning session, what I want to see is this. Okay, we tested, we came down, tested, yeah, broke down with news. So for me, once we get back above Asia highs with a closure, that's how I'm going to look to go long. All right. So that is my plan, yeah. But again, that's if we break above. Otherwise, if we keep fighting here, very, very simple. Minute we break below here, I will look to take the shorts. So let's see what happens. On Discord, the execution time was 12 p.m. UK time. Whatever, okay. Our friend Don is in the other side, minus 36k. Did Don go long? Is Chris in? Told him I said WDXY analysis. Yeah, he is, bro. I think he's in a meeting, but he is in. Yeah, there we go. DXY coming back now. So the big question is now for DXY, guys, it's going to be that pivot. Can this be this is going to be the first time we're going to test really the S1 properly. So either this now is going to reject and do that, or we are going to get something like that. So let's just see what happens with DXY. I'm short, cut or hold. So I'm short. What are you short on? Bro, you can't just say I'm short. There's how many pairs on the market? What flipping pair are you short on? Where are you short from? Where's the entry? Like, give me, okay, gold. Where's your entry? Yep, he's buying till 2036. Yo, I think there's gonna be another Don trade, bro. He's gonna hold this drawdown. Can you make visible on screen what pair area and what time frame? Just look at the back, guys. Use your eyes and read. Just read. That's not hard. That is right there in the background. Yo Keegs, what do you think of the daily scalp group, brother? I know you were a part of the group, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so G is like one of my best mates. Obviously it's his group. I was an analyst for the group at a stage. Myself, Han and Scoots were the analysts for the group. So yeah, very, very good group. Nice community to be a part of. Definitely can't go wrong there, guys. If you're starting off even in trading, definitely not a bad place to be. G will really look after you there. My wrong sorry to bright screen was haha, no problem, bro. Grabbed a snack waiting for that gold fall. Yeah, as I say, guys, if it holds this, I can see the buyers coming if we break back above the 2028. But that's the whole problem we've been having, guys. If you look here, I always said to you, I will be bullish truly when we break the 2035, because now you can see the range we trade in. You guys can see this over here now. So we just want to test that. No, if this fails, we're going to come back, and I want to wait for the trades over here. But if this can turn around, go there, you'll have the break. So it really is just honestly a waiting game on this trade right now. So let's see. I'm short in 2031 hold. 2031 hold. Bro, just go break even. I don't know what your guys. You're not going to swing every single trade, so I'm actually not going to teach you guys to swing, because I don't know your circumstances. I don't know how much, if that's a trade if your account's like nearly flipping going blowing up, then take your profits. If you if you already had 50 wins this week, then one loss is irrelevant. You can go break even, let it hold. So honestly, I don't know what your stats are or things like that, or where your circumstances are. But again, this is quite a key area. So if this thing really starts coming back up, I would just close out the trade. Otherwise, you can hold it if you want to. Can we please see the SMC chart? What the hell do you mean the SMC chart? I'm out to Los Santos. Cheers, gents. Cheers, brother. Enjoy. Yeah, I've been checking you a few times, bro. I'm grinding ranked. This boy is out there in the GTA life. I'm holding a 27,500 short on GU. Great, brother. Daily Scalp is an amazing group. You will struggle to find a group of traders who are as supportive and informative as they are on the Telegram. Yeah. Do you need a big account to trade gold? No, but then you just trade relevant to your account size. Can you share the Telegram link for the Daily Scalp group? It is a paid group. I cannot just share you that link. It is a paid group. You go subscribe and join the group through Garen. EU please. I think he means Jev's charts. Probably means Jev's charts. I can help you with how to make bank lol. Yeah, bro, I actually need to, because I was bored a while ago and I started up a whole new account. So we can definitely join together and you can help me make some bags again. But Jeff, we're gonna put on your screen. For some reason they want to see the SMC charts.
Okay. So this is the setup I had on CAD Yen. So change of character here on the 3-minute chart. So waited for that to happen and tap into the zone. He is also 109 to 50. But like I said with the news, I didn't trust the entry. That's why I didn't take it. Even though price went into profit, I mean, look what happened now. There's an exact reason why I didn't want to go for that. It could still go up, but not my cup of tea. Gold, I'm watching gold over here. Can't buy gold here because there's this gap I have. So before I can have change of character, gold has to break above 2029. So only when it breaks above that change of character, then I can have a pullback, and then that's not an ideal setup for me. And then on GU, waiting for GU to do something like this now, basically tap into that last week's high and basically fill that gap. EU, waiting for EU to go to the weekly open supply zone and slightly tap above the Asian liquidity.
You guys have it. You know exactly what the SMC trader is looking for, guys.
And on USD Turkish Lira, I'm waiting for it to still come to the S2.
Bro, I'm gonna die of laughter when you actually start trading that.
I actually see it's disabled here on my side. I can't trade it.
What is the minimum payout days on Volt Fund? It's 30 days, bro, if I'm correct. Let's for sure. I'll set up some now. Just CAD JPY bearish weekly, daily, and 4 hour though. I'm in 100 pips profit on CAD JPY sells. That is the most contradicting thing in the world. Are you trying to sell me on that it's bearish and then telling me it's bearish because you're saying profits are bearish? Alrighty. Keeks, if you buy the 140k rand account, what would you say is a good lot size to trade with in bulk markets? Bro, again, it's different. That depends on, get a FX calculator and use that, because you'll use your lots depending on how big your stop loss is. Your stop loss isn't always the same, so you can't risk the same amount of money. So start working it out where your lot size is based on your stop loss size, and that way you can work out an equivalent of what the lot size should be for every pair then. Child gold up and down. Now I'm tired. Lol. That is awesome, brother. Well done, well done. Sweet, no stress, my man.
So, Tristan, based on your argument there on CAD, so I do understand why you say it's bearish, but also you have to understand that this could still be just catering for pullback, because we are technically tapping into a demand zone over here. So it's easy for CAD to basically push up from here and then go towards the highs, because also look at the wick from Tuesday, 8 o'clock. That's liquidity. So this is sell side liquidity being picked up. Just saying, be mindful of that.
I'll sort this out. Alrighty. Yo, say goodbye to monetization, but such a tune. Yo, goal, please. Terry, we're literally on goal, bro. I don't know where you have been for the last hour. US 30 alerts going off. What's going off in US 30? Ah, you're back at that keys area. Keys, where do you get Rand FX calculator? Because everyone I open gives only dollar and other currencies. FX calculator, brother, the one I told you to get. FX calculator. There we go. There goes gold. Come on, just give us a closure here and I'll take a sell. Yeah, that is a long candle though. Why is this doing this? Guys, has anyone ever had this problem where your alert tab still shows as a notification of an alert, but there's no alerts?
Not me.
It is driving me crazy because I've got this alert like notification, but there's no alerts there. Like it's making me lose my mind a bit, yeah. I disable alerts. The bias for sells is there on gold, but I won't use a lower time frame to enter. The easier one is to wait for daily closure. It is very easy to enter for daily closure, but then you miss all the pips because you waited for a whole range to close. So yeah, you're not really going to be a trader if you're just always going to wait for daily closures. That's just the truth of it. Well, I just saw Don Vo lose his long trade on gold. His stop loss got hit over 100 pips. Jeez. Yeah. Now that's literally 10 trades he has to go win again just to make that back. That's the only thing about Don, guys. Chris and myself both love him, but just the trade management it's a bit rough. That's the only thing. Love the guy, but yeah, because that's the thing. Like that's literally 10 trades you got to go back now and win. To get back there. Gold rejected. We'll see dollar basically at that weekly pivot. And that's the thing. We did start testing now, which we haven't done before. If we look here, those were the lows. Yeah, you can see we did take that low now. So I still am more to the bearish side of things, but we will see. This is literally that key area that needs to hold for gold. Going up again. We're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see. DXY is fighting about that pivot, but if this gains that pivot, I think then it's gold's in trouble. You're not in anything, Jeff.
Oh no. Shit. I have to go see Chris quickly now. Commitments.
What was the DXY news? I just joined. It was PMI, brother. But it came out very, very strong for the dollar. Keys, could we buy gold? Bro, the thing is you can, but that's the thing, you are jumping a gun, yeah. The reason I'm saying that is if we go here, you'll see your 15 hasn't closed yet. It is giving you a rejection, but this is that 4 hour that's been holding. The thing is, for me, I always say to you guys, it's been tested. Like we just can't get away. We keep rejecting the 2035. So when you go to the 4 hour, we just range bound, like I keep talking to you guys about. So we just are in this massive range now, and it's just a case of when are we going to break out of that range. That's what we're waiting for. So yeah, I know it's not fun, guys, trust me. I really want to take trades, but the obvious is just a break below here for the sells, but it can reject and just go back bullish again. So we really just need to see what is going to happen. That's all. I don't want to tell you guys buy and then this thing just waterfalls, because the reason I don't want to say it yet is, yes, that closed above, we got a bullish candle, but this can become for a low to be broken. And again, I said that dollar news was a big push to the top upside to dollar. So that was a very big thing for dollar to be dollar strength. So that is what I'm worried about. Because end of the day, fundamentally, dollar should be in power now for the rest of the session.
I have to go soon.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to look at the house. So just letting you guys know. Chad, I'm gonna leave early. But nothing anything.
Well, the thing is, we're
so
only gonna leave in like 20. Well, we'll probably call the stream in like 20 minutes anyway.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I hope this is the one.
But didn't you already put the deposits down and everything?
No, I just gave it to my mom. So they're still deciding between 2 places. So now it's a matter of. So we didn't view the one place yet. We'll check it out now.
Is this the one that's like, yeah, oh, wait, what area is it?
I don't think I'm sure. Yeah. Hamanosin.
Ah, lekker. Because thing is, guys, I mean, USD broke that zone, tested it, and running down. So it really is showing you dollars in power. That's why I'm telling you I don't want to give you those buys. Unless we can even start breaking above, maybe taking Asia lows. If we can take Asia lows, hold Asia lows, then enter the buys. That would be if you want to enter the buys. For now, if we get a closure under here, guys, I'm selling. We get a closure under there, I'm in those sells. Because again, like I was talking, look how much the rejection was up here. The candle's right there. If this thing closes there, gold's chalked. So yeah, it's a waiting game right now, guys. It's purely a waiting game. Do you guys know what trading addiction is? Are we trying to be funny here now? What are we talking about, bro?
I'm also like, is there something coming here, or are we gonna learn something? But King Shaq, maybe explain what you think trading addiction is. Or yeah, I think I could have an idea.
Oh, what one? There we go, guys. There's the man himself. The boys in the chat. Kyle Maji. Like the addiction to charting and getting W's in relation to like self-empowerment.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm an addict.
But it is, guys. You can't lie. The minute you press that button, that sell or buy button, bro, those endorphins hit your body straight away.
Chad, I'm gonna love and leave you. Keeks, love and leave you. Must be
All
safe.
good, brother.
Drive safe home. Chad, be safe in the markets. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. See you guys tomorrow. Is Crystal leaving?
Is Chris what?
Still leaving to Cape Town?
No.
Not anymore.
No.
Okay. Noted. See you guys tomorrow. You guys must have a beautiful evening.
Enjoy, Jev. The endorphins and adrenaline, 100%, bro. That's why we were having this conversation, I think, with Mo on that one podcast. And I said, like, I swear every trader's done it, and it's a true thing. That adrenaline you get, I don't care. You could be trading massive funded accounts, but put like 5K in an account and full port that thing for like CPR. Bro, you get shivers, you get like flipping butterflies in your stomach. That's a whole different thing. That is a whole different thing. But we are just going to see what happens here, Chad. We are still being patient, yeah. Just waiting for these things to play out. Keep in mind, dollar is looking like it's rejecting, so that is looking good for those buys now. But again, even though we spoke about it not holding, it was a big jump, and that's why I'm just worried about gold, yeah. So let's just see what happens. Then you get drunk if you get W's. Yeah. I just did that so now you know how I'm feeling, lol. There we go, bro. Yeah, it's I think as traders we all had to do it at some stage. As we talk about, always that 1 minute glory. You just got to do it sometimes. But let's see, Chad. 120 of you guys though. You guys just mind dropping that little like there for us. That's all we ask for, guys. We really, really appreciate that. It just gives some energy and vibes to the chat. But I think, guys, while we wait on, thanks so much. Let's have some fun here, guys, while we're waiting to get some confirmations. Again, you guys know I'd love to take a trade, but we're just waiting a bit here. Analysis, Bitcoin, sir, don't trade it, bro. Let's play some tunes here, Chad.
Wait till I get my money right. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace.
Hey, let's see what we can get here, Chad. Maybe pump some volume here into the chat. Let's see what happens. Gold still fighting a bit there. So let's see what happens.
Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosby's, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should have changed them. I guess I should have forgot where I came from. Wait till I get my money right. And you can't tell me nothing right. Excuse me.
Okay, Chad. Looks like gold's still fighting there, so should I get out of 2025? Bro, honestly, I just go, wait, what do you eat on 2025? A buy or a sell?
Let up the suicide doors. This is my life, homie, you decide yours. I know that Jesus died for us, but I couldn't tell you who the side was. So I parallel double park that motherfucker sideways. Old folks talking about back in my day. But homie, this is my day. Class started 2 hours ago. Oh, am I late? No, I already graduated. And you can live through anything if magic made it.
Yo, a bar, bro. I would. As I said, you know, even holding getting above Asia lows, so yeah, maybe.
It's like college and to say something where you gon' end up apologizing. Let me know if it's a problem then. Alright, man, holla then. Wait till I get my money right. And you can't tell me nothing right. Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let the champagne splash, let that man get cash, let that man get past. He don't even stop to get gas. If he could move through the rumors, he could drive off of fumes, cuz how he move in a room full of no's, how he stay faithful in a room full of. Must be the pharaohs, he in tune with his soul. So when he buried in a tomb full of gold, treasure, what's your pleasure? Life is a depending how you dress her. So if the devil
What's the chat saying? Yeah, but y'all, looks like those sales are coming, baby. Do we get a sell yet, Chad? Come on. Come on, baby. Give it to us. Wait till I get my money right. Come on, Chad. Let's get those sounds, yeah, baby.
Nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
Hope you guys are awake and ready.
Tell me nothing. Wait till I get my money right.
Come on, just break those lows for us. Just break those lows.
Stuck up in this fucking maze. How you been? I've been better than yesterday, and it was just a day.
Come on, Chad. You guys are feeling it. We're gonna get something, yeah. I really want to take these sells. I really hope this just breaks now. I can get out of this consolidation. That's all we waiting for the whole time, yeah. Come on. 2 minutes. Just give it to us, Chad. Just give it to us.
And still you got the cheek to even try and call me liar. One up in the oven trying to trap me in, but why? Put a baby in your stomach if that's what you desire.
Come on. Let's see, Chad. Come on, we just want to get this here now.
But you feeling half a bitch you could have been. It's not you, so I guess it's me. It's not you, so I guess it's me. Suddenly half a man I used
We need dollar up. We want to sell. That's it, guys. Yeah.
It's not you, so I guess it's me. This time out. This time
Come on, dollar. Come on.
This time out.
Come on.
This time out. This time I'll have one hand free. This has nothing to do with me.
Hey, there we go. Come on, dollar.
I leave the dent in my car to remind me what I could have lost. And you revealed who you are.
Yeah, the DXY just, are you in? No, I'm not, bro. I'm waiting for this 5 minutes to close. Just close underneath for us. 30 seconds, Chad. Do we execute? Let's see, Chad. Do we get an execution? Yeah. 10 seconds. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'll take it, Chad. I'm gonna take a shot. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go, yeah. We're a bit doing this different now, purely because we're looking at these highs, Asia lows. So we're gonna wait just about those top wicks, guys. So it's a 345 that we're running today. But we are going to see if that plays out for us in this volatile market. And DXY wanted to come straight. Oh, DXY turning around, Chad. Now that for me was a riskier one, purely because I didn't want to wait for that proper closure. But we're going to make it work.
Oh man.
We are going to make it work, Chad.
Not again.
We are going to make it work.
Yeah, I learned the game from William Wesley. You can never check me. Back to back for the niggas that didn't get the message. Back to back like
You sure, bro? Bro, if you're not happy with the trade, don't take it. I'm happy to take this and take a shot at it. And I'm taking this purely because of dollar news. We are at that 4-hour support, guys, so market can literally hold us and shoot up right at us. Literally, like, I wouldn't be surprised, but I am taking the risk purely because of fundamentals. That's why we are taking this trade.
I'm not sure what it was that really made y'all mad, but I guess this is what I gotta do to make y'all rap. I mean, oh.
that's what we are doing here, purely because of fundamentals, guys. But let's see. Let's see.
Is that a world tour or your girl's tour? I know that you gotta be a thug for her.
Come
This ain't what she
on.
meant when she told you to open up more. Yeah, trigger fingers turn to
For
Twitter
beginners,
fingers.
please mind your
Yeah.
risk management for
Getting
gold
bodied by a
sells.
singing nigga. I'm not the
100%,
type of
guys.
nigga that the type of niggas.
Remember, this is not a financial thing. You can't do something you're comfortable with it. Don't take it. You're your own trader at the end of the day.
Dead, tell that man to ease up. I did another one. I did another one.
You are your own trader at the end of the day.
Shit about the other one. Got the drink in me going back
See,
to back.
DXY fighting
Going
back.
back to back. I got the drink in me going back to back. Yeah, I'm going back to back. I don't wanna hear about this ever again. Not even when she tell them that they better as friends. Not even when you're saying Drizzy, tell them again. I've been putting on the show, it was a sellout event. Oh, you need better seating. I didn't wanna do it, gave me every reason. The point I'm trying to make is I don't ever need them. Seen what you do for fame or what you do for freedom, please. Check them for a while or an earpiece, please. Please do not let these niggas nail me, please. Think before you come for the great one, please. Who's a real nigga and who ain't one, please. Somebody stop me. I'm talking Bossy and Guanawasi. I got the fest in 5 days and it's my shit. Soon as a nigga hit the stage, they gon' ask if I can play the shit back to back. Yeah, they want it back to back. They gon' ask if I can play the shit back to back. I took a break from views, now it's back to that, nigga.
Come on, Chad. Let's see what we can get you. Can she run for us? What song is this that came on now? What song is this? Let's change it up. I don't know what song this is, guys. Oh, I do know this song. But we need something a bit more up here right now. Let's see ya, Chad. On. Let's fucking go, baby. Keys, how about all we do is win? That's actually a good one, bro. Come on, Chad. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby.
And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there. Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop.
Come on, Chad, baby.
Get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it, my folks locked down. I never went nowhere. What they saying, Luda's back. Blame it on that.
Come on. Let's get this one, baby.
And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving tight like a million virgins. Last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South's champion. Cause all I do,
Come on, baby.
all I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put
Chad, I'm gonna go break even on the trade purely because if this flashes, it needs to flash. If this thing turns around, I'm not interested. So I'm just gonna break even already on this. I might jump the gun a bit early, but we want that flash now that we've taken the lows. So if we don't get that, then at least we can manage this trade. So this thing needs to turn around. If it taps me, then it taps me. I'm fine with that. Once we got the closure, we needed this flush. DXY come to the party. So I'm just going to manage it that way. You guys don't have to if you don't want to. But I've obviously entered. That's what I want from this trade. So I will take a break even if this turns around.
Win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Heat in the kitchen, pot on the stove, water getting boiled, dope being sold, Snoopy in the hookie, system overload. I've been running this rap game since I was 20 years old. I hung with the worst of them, bust till I burst them up, floss them up, toss them up, harder way, close them up. Pardon me, I'm bossing up, brace you up, bless you, bro, don't mess with us. We like the youth
Come on,
in
Chad.
the 80s. Back to back, set a track, hit the lick, get it back, hit the trick, jump the track. Bitch, I want my money back. Time and time again, while I'm sipping on this gin. Al Davis said it best, just win, baby, win.
All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Come on, Chad. We want this, baby. Let's see this thing fly.
Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Let's see it fly, baby.
All right, okay. All right, okay. Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones
Come on,
into
baby.
everything I record to it, and yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that
Oh, baby. TP, boys. Come on.
Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town.
Come on,
Trust me,
boys.
on my
We got this, baby.
D-E-N-T shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing.
Come
Give
on,
that to the
boys.
people. Spread it across.
All those guys that were like, am I sure? I am sure, baby. Don't you
We
worry.
give it to the people. Spread it across the country. Here we go back.
Come on, baby. There's TP, boys. Let's go, Chad. Let's get a little W in the chat there, guys. And you were able to catch this beauty with us. Send a little W there. Absolute banger of a trade. Come on, Chad. Where's the W's at? You took that trade with us. You guys are legends. Well done, Chad. We stuck it out. Look at that banger, baby. Look at her run. Look at that thing run, Chad.
Really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark. We raw. Time to go up, gone. Deuces goodbye.
What a trade, Chad. What a trade.
Caesar make you a believer. Nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands. This is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me.
Well done, Chad, baby. We are back, my boy. I'm fully closed, guys. 3%. Let's go. Well done, Chad. Let's fucking go, baby. Our boy Don chose the wrong direction. Full margin, baby. Full margin. You guys are mad. You guys are crazy. Absolutely love the support, your Chad. You guys are absolutely crazy, Chad. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, Chad. Look at that. That is madness, guys. Absolutely madness. Look at that. Look at that, baby. We are eating today.
I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you.
I hope you guys enjoyed that one, baby. Let's chill it out. Let's just enjoy it now. That was it. I'm getting fat from eating every day on this stream. That's it, my boy. But that is it, Chad. We waited. We hanged out for that one. Absolute banger of a trade today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys called that one with me. For my brothers that doubted me a bit there, I hope you guys learn not to doubt me with gold. So, alright, you guys were able to eat today. Absolutely, all we do is win, baby. So moving on now, I'm going to call it there, guys. I really appreciate all of you guys. That is me done for the day now. I'm going to go chill out, have something to eat, and then head off to gym. But it was a good one, guys. Absolute banger. I love being here with you guys. So again, truly thank you to all you guys for always joining. Thank you for always showing up. Absolutely love it. Wouldn't do this, guys, without you guys. But the plane is about to land, guys. After that, you had the full 5-course meal, on our flight to NYSE. But other than that, guys, a Ric Flair, unfortunately, we won't play now, purely because we have our theme song for the NYSE. So you guys know what's coming up. But that's it, guys. I really love all of you guys. We are taking this to a whole new level. But wish you guys all the best. Thank you for joining. Absolutely love you guys. Make sure to join myself and Chris for the opening bell tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock. We'll see you guys there in New York tomorrow as well, guys. Absolutely love you, Peach Nation. Other than that, it's been myself, literally myself now today. But other than that, I wish you guys the best. Trade safe, be safe, and I will see you guys same place, same time tomorrow. So right, I'll see you guys then. Love you, Chad. Eat those pups, baby.
Kane is in the building, nigga.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it comes up. The show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it comes up. The show goes on. Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that Chateau made me. That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Go and put your hands up. When times is hard, you stand up. LUP the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it come up. The show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it come up. The show goes on. 1 in the air for the people ain't here. 2 in the air for the father that's there. 3 in the air for the kids in the ghetto. 4 for the kids that don't wanna be there. None for the niggas trying to hold him back. 5 in the air for the teachers not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back that the world is theirs. Yeah, the world is is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war. For these ghetto girls and boys, I'm rapping around the world for. Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour. Oakland out to Auckland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun up? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on all right. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun up? Just remember when you come up.
So no matter what you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see, when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere. Yeah, ain't nobody